Hey there, it's Master Kaiser. Welcome back to the channel. Alright folks, let's talk about a fun and exciting way to meet new people. Concerts. Concerts are the perfect place to vibe, enjoy some great music, and yeah, maybe even meet someone special. But how do you break the ice without feeling like a total creep? I've got you covered with some killer tips. First off, make eye contact. Sounds simple, right? But it's super effective. Before diving into a conversation, catch her eye and share a smile. It's a subtle signal that says, "Hey, I'm approachable." Next, use the music to your advantage. Ask her about the band or artist performing. Are you a big fan of this band? Or, what's your favorite song of theirs? It's a natural way to start a conversation and shows you have a common interest. Now, don't forget to keep it casual and lighthearted. You don't need to dive into deep life stories right away. Use the environment. If there's a cool light show or a crazy guitar solo, comment on it. "Wow, that guitar solo was insane." It keeps the conversation fun and relevant. And remember, body language is crucial. Face her, but don't invade her personal space. Keep a relaxed posture. If she mirrors your body language, it's a good sign she's comfortable. Lastly, be respectful. If she seems uninterested or gives short responses, don't push it. You're there to have a good time, not to pressure anyone. So there you have it. Some simple yet effective tips to break the ice at a concert. Go out there, enjoy the music, and who knows, you might just make a great connection. If you liked these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content from Master Kaiser. See you next time. Outro with Master K Watermark.